This episode is about LOEWE. Hi everyone, welcome to Fashion Brief. As you can see, this episode will be about LOEWE and I will do a little bit unboxing. I know that I've never done any unboxing episodes before, and I will keep my promise to make this episode still informative. And you will know the branding strategy of LOEWE and what they've done throughout the history. So let's start the unboxing. I really like the packaging of LOEWE. It's really low-key and high class, I would say. It's really beautiful. And so guess what I bought? A bag. What bag? So this is the dust bag. And then actually I've been thinking about buying this bag for a really long time, and I finally did it because I really love it. It's the puzzle bag. It's the puzzle bag. I really love it because it's having a really special one-of-a-kind shape, and yeah. And this is the medium size, and there are plenty of ways to carry it actually with the stripe. Well, this is my first time doing unboxing, so maybe I'm not as professional as other fashion bloggers, but anyway, practice makes perfect, right? And so then, for example, you can do this. I really love it. And I bought the color in gray. And so yeah, this is really beautiful. I really love it. I'm so happy that I did my investment for LOEWE. And this is the unboxing part. Here comes to the informative part. And so at the beginning, LOEWE, this Spanish brand, I would like to talk a bit about its name. You might think that LOEWE, this word sounds like not Spanish at all. Actually, the origin of this name comes from German, so it's actually a Spanish brand with a German name. And so now people pronounce it as LOEWE in a Spanish way, but actually in German it's called LOEWE, means lion. So LOEWE is one of the world's major luxury houses, founded in 1846 in Spain, belongs to LVMH Group now, and under the creative direction of Jonathan Anderson. LOEWE is defined by an obsessive focus on craft and unmatched expertise with leather, dating back to its beginning as a leather-making collective. These core values are reflected in the brand's belief in the importance of craft in the modern age, featuring art in collections and stores, and its commitment to supporting contemporary culture around the world. For me personally, their branding strategy is really coherent. Namely, they have strong connection with art. And afterwards, I will also bring up some examples what they did to support their craftsmanship and also art. Because as you can see from their product, it's all about craft and also the skills of leather weaving or the leather structure. And I think the connection with art is really smart of these luxury houses to focus on, because as we know that luxury brands always have deep connection with art, and art in a sense of immortality and timelessness. And so that's the reason why I think under the reign of Jonathan Anderson, he started to question a lot about art, to discover the world of art and find different possibilities to enrich the world of LOEWE. And since we know that Jonathan Anderson plays a crucial role for LOEWE, he started his career as a creative director since 2013 at LOEWE. And since then, the brand has started a new chapter, including new visual identity, adding a spark of spontaneity and playfulness to the brand. And as we know that Jonathan Anderson, he's famous for his playfulness, and he seems like he's still a child. He wants to explore a lot of different things. He has great curiosity. And also he created a lot of popular products, such as the puzzle bag, launched since 2014. And since then, it's still very popular in the world of luxury. And as we know that most of the luxury brands, luxury products will raise their price yearly. And for puzzle bag itself, it has been rising twice per year. And apart from puzzle bag, the famous Hammock bag, gate bag are also beloved by consumers. And moreover, apart from creating this kind of IT bags and popular products, he also devoted himself and with the brand in the world of supporting craft. And so in 2016, he launched the first LOEWE Foundation Craft Prize. This competition launched yearly and which ignites the creativity of artists around the world to make the brand discover different kinds of opportunities. And normally for those who get shortlisted as finalists, these masterpieces will be exhibited in a real museum or exhibition center. But due to COVID, LOEWE launched its digital platform that enables consumers to browse through all the masterpieces online through digital exhibition. I think it's a really creative approach which enables all of the people around the world can see those pieces. And let alone COVID, it enables for those who are not able to be in that country also see the masterpieces. And actually for the nominees or the shortlisted finalists from LOEWE Foundation Craft Prize, they also demonstrate the masterpieces in LOEWE's stores. So I think it's a perfect idea and combination for them to have this, to help this competition and to benefit its visuals in the store, to make the store experience artistic. And of course, he also did special collaborations with artists, and he's really inspired by Japanese culture. And also, the first flagship store of LOEWE, apart from Spain, is launched in Tokyo in Japan. And why there is a connection between Jonathan Anderson and Japan is because the brand hold great emphasis on craftsmanship, and Japan is the country that owns different kinds of skills and craftsmanship in the country, cultural-wise. For example, origami, and also for some artists they use bamboos to weave the sculpture. And so actually from the YouTube channel you can see plenty of collaborations with Japanese artists with LOEWE. And also in order to generate more inspirations and visuals, LOEWE has its own editorials called LOEWE Book. It's a phone book sized and also self-published visual history spanning from the past, present and future. And also there is no special rules of this book or special orders. It's mainly reflecting the current situation that LOEWE thinks throughout the year to provide a visual demonstration. And the creative director of this project, called Louis Venega, he is authorized by the creative director of LOEWE, Jonathan Anderson, has the full power to have his own view of how he should organize each issue. Although now it's an era of digitalization and many brands put emphasis on digital experience, for luxury brands and also for LOEWE, it's still very important to put also focus on retail experience. And so they have Casa LOEWE. They offer a luxurious, intimate and cultural experience for consumers. And for Casa LOEWE, people can find it in London, Beijing, Shanghai, Tokyo, Madrid, and also Singapore. And whether it's a Casa LOEWE or just a normal store, the retail concept is exactly the same. And so they have the same color palette, and also whenever you enter the store, for example, I'm now based in Munich, and actually the store in Munich is the only flagship store throughout the whole Germany. And when I enter the store, I can immediately feel the artistic and also those art pieces on the floor and also the pillars. I can really feel that it's a special space that awaits me to explore and to see what are the stories behind these pieces. And so in general, I think Casa LOEWE provides a really one-of-a-kind shopping experience that is highly refined and also provide personal and cultural experience to be explored like a personal residence. And as I've mentioned in the beginning, that LOEWE put emphasis on craft. On the YouTube channel or Instagram social media channel, you can see the making of their leather goods. And then you can realize that these techniques needs to be trained throughout the years, throughout decades, I would say. And according to the official information, some of the craft masters have been working with LOEWE over 50 years. And so now you can see that the brand and also the employees are living through this spirit of craftsmanship. So that's it for today of my little sharing, my happiness of buying puzzle bag, and also some informative information about LOEWE, the brand, strategy and its story. And the most important part is that please subscribe my channel. And recently I did a rebranding of my logo. I hope you like it. And also I launched my Instagram account officially. On this account, you can find different kinds of luxury branding strategy information. And I will also share some recent fashion business news and also my analysis. See you next time.